my channel. Today's video we're going to talk about dupes, and as you can see in front over here, this is my new shoes that I bought from Pazzion. So in this video we're going to talk about the products from Pazzion. Pazzion is a local brand in Singapore, and then they offer quite a good quality of the product. So their product, mostly from what I see, they're made of the real leather, and the shoes that you see in front over here is the shoes that I bought like 2 or 3 weeks back, and I bring along to my recent trip too. It's so soft. I'm gonna do a review on this, and also I just buy another product from Pazzion. So I bought a bag and I'm gonna unbox it with you. We're gonna talk about the shoe first. Can you guess what brand this is? Definitely this is a dupe of for the Rolo Piana, right? That shoes or the Loafers, I also have eyes on them, and then they are really hard to find. Everyone say that it's kind of rare items, and I kind of hesitating whether I should get it or not, because I'm not a person who really wear this style. I wear dresses, and mostly I wear like low heel with like strappy heels, but not quite this kind of shoe style. So it's great to have something alternatives and try it out whether I really like it and whether I still want to upgrade to the Lolo Piana. Well, for this one, the shoe is from Pazzion. As you can see, it's local inside, and they say it's made of the lambskin. It's really good quality. It's so soft, and the inside, the leather over here is super comfortable. I can wear it without socks. I can just wear it on my bare feet. And the back over here is like a suede leather that can, is super comfortable when you wear the pair of these shoes. And the designs is something similar to the European brand, but the front hardware over here is slightly different because there's the word Pazzion. I'm gonna do some little bit of zoom so you can see there's a word Pazzion, which is their brand, on both of the gold circle here, and it's also the same for the other side. The color they offer very similar to Lolo Piana as well. This is in almond shade, if I'm not wrong. They have like a 2 to 3 more shade on their website, but definitely my favorite will go to this one because I think my clothes go well with this color. For the sole, so I wear them already, right? So you see a bit of dirt, and you see that definitely the behind the sole of the shoes is different from the Lolo Piana. This one is not the same, but I would say that the base here is perfect quality. It's not slippery. I don't have to worry about that because it's like a rubber kind of material, and it's very easy to wear. Then the shoe base inside, the shoe base is so soft. I feel like overall it's so good quality for the price that I pay. Can you guess how much this is? This is a lambskin, which is a real leather, and also the design is very nice, right? It's a minimal style. So this one cost me 99 Sing dollars, so you can check it out on their website. Now let's do unboxing video. Okay guys, so this one is the bag that I bought from Pazzion, and let's unbox these together. I'm so excited. And also this is the receipt. So I bought this bag for I think 89 Sing dollars. So this bag is cowhide leather, and is considered a small size bag. I think it can fit my phone from the size. Look like a great size to fit daily essential. It's not too small and it's not too big. Oh, so it's comes with the dust bag. It comes with strap. Oh, it's so soft. This is the bag. It has a small top handle over here. Then you want to grab things. Just open these together. Okay, let's take a look closely. This is so soft leather. It's in cowhide. This is a base, and the behind and the front are the same. The handle over here, you can hook with this strap, and on the other side too. I'm gonna remove this strap first, so that we can take a look at the inside. So the inside, you see zipper compartment. Okay, it's come with a card. The other side has nothing, but the rest has just the empty space. This is my phone, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Fit. Okay, fit inside, very comfortable. So this is how my phone fit inside the bag. Plenty of space left. This can be a travel bag too, because you want to carry more than just phone and wallet, right? I move my camera up a little so you guys can see the style. So if I carry like this, it definitely cannot go through the like a shoulder bag. It's not possible, but it does give the space between the bag and the handle, so you can carry like this. You can see that it's loosen the shapes a little bit, which I like the style. I think it's really cute. Let's do some more shot on this, and let me know what you think in the comment box down below. All the information I put in the description box below as well. And that's all about my review today from Pazzion. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you again in next video. Bye bye.